This cube has been amazing. We bought it for our toddler for the airplane. It has this clicker, a wheel for them to spin, this to twist off. Be careful, this one comes all the way off. It has a hot water faucet that you can turn. There's a door stopper. There's an actual fidget that spins. This door stopper can come off also. So if you need to take it off to put it in a bag or anything. Here is a hourglass that spins, kind of fun. It was a lifesaver for the airplane. Oh, also this lock and key, which the key's attached with a chain so you won't lose it, which is nice. I would say for my 1-year-old, he could only do some of the things on there, but I think it will grow with him, which I really like. Check it out.